I will never forget yung araw na nakita kita. I knew from the moment that we were meant to be.
Papawisan. San? Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na pinagtibay niya yung relasyon natin para umabot sa araw na to. Parang kailan lang, 2014.
Hi, B. In short, Abby. I can wait to spend the rest of my life with you, building a future filled with love, laughter, and adventure.
Sabi mo, ito, in good times and in 5
Summer sunsets, canyon clouds, feels like time is slowing down. Don't wake me now. While the world is chasing dreams, you and I got all we need. It's here and now. I'm coming alive.
Miss Abby, do you take Mr. Mark Philip here present for your lawful husband in accordance with the rights and precepts of our laws?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Salamat sa ilang taon mo pag-intindi at pagrespeto sa oras ni na lola ko. Saan? Simula bukas, pwede na tayo mag-overnight. Salamat saan sa maghihintay.
Ikaw, Mark, ngayong naging asawa mo na si Abby, ang ipinakikiusap ko sa'yo, kahit anong maging problema, ayusin ninyong dalawa. At kung ano man ang problemang hindi ninyo maayos-ayos na maano, sabihin mo lang sa akin. Alam mo, mahal na mahal namin si Abby. Magmula sa simula na nasa akin na siya. Kaya ipinakikiusap ko sa'yo, maalin mo si Abby.
Salamat, San, kasi sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, kahit mahirap at masakit, mas pinili mo pa rin yung pagmamahal mo sa akin. Sobra ka magmahal at magsuporta. Sa ano man na pagsubok na darating, sa panahon man na masaya o mahirap, pagiging asawa mo pa rin ang paulit-ulit kong pipiliin.
You are the love of my life. I am honored to stand here and make these vows to you. I love you forever. English. English. Basic.
Remember, I was on the aisle waiting for you, babe. Saw you when you got I was crying all
9 years. 9 years.
9 years. Girlfriend, boyfriend? Girlfriend, boyfriend lang. May anak.
Si Abby po at saka si Mark, nagkasama-sama kami sa Jollibee before. So, po kung paano mag-start yung friendship nila, no, yung nagbubulihan pa po sila dati, nagkokotongan, ganyan.
Masaya lang ako kasi imagine, for almost 10 years of friendship with this, nakita ko kung paano yung naging relasyon yung dalawa. Masaya, malungkot, may sakit. Hindi naman lahat ng relasyon perfect. Pero mas pinatibay yung dalawa yung relasyon ninyo. And I'm so proud of you guys.
Pinapangako sa'yo, San, na mas mamahalin kita, pagsisilbihan, at sasamahan kita hanggang sa pagtanda. Mahal na mahal kita.